Welcome back guys to Crypto4light channel. Today we'd like to talk about ICP local and middle term targets. Let's jump in. Before I start to analyze the ICP charts, I highly recommend you join into my Telegram channel because there I share all my ideas faster than on YouTube. And today I post these things. So now we see the CZs drive the market. So all these FTX show it's just manipulation. Everything go according to someone plan, and CZ the part of this plan. And he made a post exactly at the perfect time when he need to post. And here's a reaction. Here's a reaction. So when the crowd expect we have to drop it down, we have to collapse, CZ made a post. And here he's like a lifesaver now for the crypto. He's like the second Elon Musk for Bitcoin. What we can see now after all this post from CZ, now everything depends of J20 summit today, what's going on there, what decision will be there, and also what CZ will talk on this meeting about the crypto. So basically, my plan for Bitcoin still in play. We tested here, almost tested the fundamental price in June. And we bounce it to and close 50% of this candle after bounce. And now we trade not so far from the buy line. And we don't even touch it. So like always, we have two options. Or test first time the take profit line. Now it's around 26 and 200. Or test the buy line. Buy line now it's 13 and 150 around. So according to this indicator, basically if everything goes well on this J20 summit, we can see the pump here forming the higher high, and a lot of people jump in here. Think about 30K is confirmed, but we can get rejection and test the buy line by end of January maybe, because this line is dynamic once again. So if not, now we can capitulate down to buy line, and in this area you can fill your bags with Bitcoin or many other altcoins. And the fundamental price now for Bitcoin is at 9K and 800. Yes, it's hard to believe, but this is a fundamental price for Bitcoin now. And yes, we have all chances drop it down like this one. Depends of what's going on in the world. So my plan for ICP token still in play. Let's dive in about my indicators, what they shows. So according to Crypto4light direction on the daily time frame, we don't even see the signal to buy. You know, we got a signal to buy before here. Here we got signal to buy in October. And we pump it and reject at, we pump it after this signal. Here's a signal to buy on the trade on. Here's a signal to buy confirmation on the directions. And we got a pump 20%, and we reject at this. It was the support line. We test this line one time, second time, third time, fourth time. The more we touch, the more weaker this zone became. So now this zone is like a rejection zone. It's seller zone. We have to change the color. Yeah. Now it's correct. Now we test on a daily time frame buy line, one touch, second touch, third touch, 5, 6 touches of the buy line, and we get a reaction. The first target, what we can expect, rejection, we can expect it's $5. It's gonna be the psychological price. $5. It can be the weak candle because we have to close the 50%. First, it's $4.74 if we continue move up. This one, reject, and here one more reaction. Then come back maybe to $4 once again. If everything goes insane positive, we can make in the next few days by end of this week, we can make a move like this one and reject at the take profit line. So you can close all your position, 100% of your position at $7.35. And then we breaking out this zone like this one and come back test 50% of this zone will be around $5.59, something like this one, just for local trades. If you hold and fill your bags in 27th zone here, basically it's investments area, 0.61 level by FIB, 16. Here you can sell your investment and leave the free coins if you worry about the continuation and the next bull run, because anyway, if we bounce it, we have to test 61 level by FIB and make a correction at least to 10 or even lower, or maybe drop it down and continue the downtrend. Nobody knows what can happen in the world. But also you have to know, if something happened on this summit and some bad news came, we can capitulate to fundamental price once again and to 27 zone, and to test fundamental price, it's around $2.76. But usually when we drop one time, second time to fundamental price, then we don't come back to fundamental price, we test buy line. So basically now I'm more bullish on ICP than bearish. But also we have to keep in mind both scenarios. So if you're a scalp, you can go to 4-hour time frame. The good enter point was here because of FIB, here signal to buy on 4-hour time frame. Here is local FIB. We tested 78 level by FIB. If you use the basic technical analysis, you can open position with 2% stop loss and take profit 61 and 1.61. So perfect test first seller zone and the top of seller zone. So it's a 59% pump. So now it's kind of risky, to open long position. Maybe the good scalp can be if we drop to this level. If we drop to $3.84. If we drop, you can open long position here, and stop loss can be lower than this one, but it's a 5%, around 4%, 90 stop loss. Because everything can happen. We can make a move like this one to 23 level by FIB and then drop it down. Everything can happen. That's why you have to use stop loss. But basically, it's good to see something like this one. Yes, it will be the perfect trade. Guys, I hope you like this video about ICP token. I showed you my local trades, potential the scalp for a trader if you use leverages and you want to scalp the position with stop losses. And I show you the middle term target where you can take profit, withdraw your investments, and leave just the free coins. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1 only for $1 per day, just write me DM. And don't forget, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and also join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.